specifically the God that spoke to Moses, the God of the Bible, written in the Bible, said that he gave Moses 10 commandments. Is it true? That's not true. 10 commandments is already in existence in Egyptian Book of the Dead, maybe 50,000 years before the bullshit of Moses came. So why must we be lying to each other in the time they have Mazen Nnamdi Kanu on Akandino, and that is the awakened one of the Biafran people that is here to awaken your consciousness, because Mazen Nnamdi Kanu's quest is a little piece of the puzzle. What I'm doing now is the main puzzle. Awakening your coconut, oburi beri begi, ndo charge nwakam. Because an awakened mind cannot be enslaved. Uburu drena free. Ane riono. Ndani riono wu. Efulefu. Ndega honyo cha. Hasono the Lord of the Lord, the King of Kings.